Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your page domain. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, the first thing would be is to go to your repository, and from here we will be needing to go to our repository, and in my case I'm using this one. And basically here you will be able to go to the settings so we can find the changes or so we can find the pages settings. And here we click on these settings and we go to pages, and from here as you can see my site is live at this URL or at this domain. And basically we can start accessing our uh, projects from here. Now, all you will need to do to have a custom domain is to simply go to the custom domain and you will add it. So basically here I want my domain to be uh, my username or whatever tt.ttsd. And here I'm just going to click on save. And basically first there will be a DNS check in progress. And here you will be just needing to wait for a long time or for whatever here DNS. And basically my domain is not a valid domain since there is no domain such this. So I will need just to use some .com or tlrtsd or whatever. And you will need to already have your own domain added here, and there will be a DNS check again. And after that you will add just your own domain name. So as you can see is improperly configured, and you will need just to add your DNS record here in the website. So basically you will be needing just to go to your domain name provider such as Namecheap or whatever, and then you will be needing just to make sure that everything is set for your domain. And also you will be needing to add the records there, and here we can just go here, and basically you can find all the records that you will need to have, or the supported subdomains and all the domain types, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.